Good morning to all of you. I became very glad whatever what you have asked from this question. This question has been asked by Palak. Palak, as I had already taught you Ohm's law, at constant temperature and pressure, the current passes through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference. According to this one, we have to establish the relation between potential difference and current. This is I, this is V. Here values of I is given as I varies 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 ampere. This one V is equal to varies from 0.5, 1.0, 1.5 and 1.6 it is written. It should be note. When the potential difference is V by I is equal to potential difference 0.8 by 0.2. This one is equal to 4:1. Once again, V by I is equal to 1.2 oblique 0.3. 4:1. Once again, V by I is equal to 1.6 by 0.4. 4:1. We conclude here that the ratios between potential difference and the current passes through the conductor and the current passes through the conductor remains constant. Another point, what is the resistance of the wire? Since V is equal to IR or R is equal to V by I, this one is equal to 4 by 1, this one is equal to 4 ohm. Now let's for the first question, and then after I will give you the second one. For making electric wires, handle or soldering iron, solar cells. Give reasons of your answer. Those material which has the resistivity, more resistivity. Here question number second. Since the resistivity of different materials has been given, given as P is equal to, little moment, I have just got this question on my WhatsApp. 2.3 into 10 to the power 3 ohm meter. Q is equal to 2.63 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. PQR, this one is equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power 15 ohm meter. From your question, which material will be used for making electric wires? Handle for soldering iron and solar cells. For electric wire, Q, this one 2.63 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter, because its resistivity is less than that of the P and R. Second one, solar plate, and it has been given solar plate for handle for soldering iron. Two point 2.3 into 10 to the power 3 ohm meter. Will be useful. And for solar cell, for 1.0 into 10 to the power 15 ohm meter. It has the maximum resistivity, so that solar plate is used to collect maximum heat amount, so that the solar cell should be made up of R, because R is equal to given 1.0 into, this is the highest resistivity of the substance. So those substance which has the highest resistivity can be used for making a solar cell, because it will catch maximum heat, solar heat energy, and it will provide sufficient amount of heat energy to the given appliances. And I hope only 2 types of questions has been asked to this one. So today's I have already solved these 2 questions, and I hope you all will have understood it, and any of you, if you will be unable to understand in the next class, you may also raise the another questions. Thank you and have a nice day. Be side. Perhaps it is not necessary to write, but for your kind information, whatever you have put the question on, so that it's my duty to give you answer. How plant obtains carbon dioxide? Because in plant there is a stomata in the leaves, and stomata opens and closes its guard cells during the photosynthesis phenomena, and when it opens, then carbon dioxide gas is just into the atmosphere, from the atmosphere into the cell, and thus it gets carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Question number 2, second, this is part of second question. How the plant obtain water for photosynthesis? In photosynthesis phenomena, I had already several times I told you that the water is taken by the roots from the soil, and in that root there is a xylem. Xylem is a sieve which takes water and it carries the water to the stomata of the leaf, and thus the plant gets water through xylem tissue from the through the roots of the plant from the soil. Thank you and have a nice day.